Hello there, and how are you doing today? All right, today I'll be sharing with you about some things you can keep in the bank other than money. Many times when we hear bank, the next thing that follows is money, online banking or whatever, money. And a lot of people think it's only money you can keep in the bank, but that is not completely correct. There are other things you can keep in the bank, and I'm going to go through them one by one. So the first one, let's start. You can keep important documents in the bank. Maybe you don't want to keep them at home, you don't want to keep them in the office, where not say maybe they are very important. Like some people keep their wills, some people keep their landed properties or certain share their certificates and all that. You can keep very important documents in the bank. And most commercial banks have this facility. All right, you can talk to your bank and they'll tell you how to go about it. Any bank. They also have banking houses where they keep things. You can also make inquiries in that regard, but most times many commercial banks have this facility. They can do it for you. All right, so that's one important document. Number two, you can keep important properties, things like maybe chairs and all that. You can keep jewelries, verified jewelries, important things, ornaments and all that, diamond and all that are yours, that are certified to be yours. You can keep them in the bank. If you think they're not safe at home or whatever you're keeping them, you can keep such things in the bank. They have their processes. You can always ask your bank, what does it take to put this in the bank, to put it. They have vaults as well. Sometimes they even have people who render these services to them. All right, you can also keep that in the bank. The third one is you can even keep keys in the bank. Maybe you're traveling for a long time and you don't want to give your keys to anybody. Maybe, I don't know, you can keep with your neighbor, but you don't want to give your keys to anybody. Maybe it could be car keys, it could be house keys, it could be those kind of things. Some banks have provisions for you to keep such things in the bank while you are away. You can do that as well. All right, so just to get to your bank, ask them about this and they will tell you more. And also, very importantly, you can keep original documents in the bank. So it's not like you're traveling, you don't want to keep it, you can keep it away. This is very close to the first point I made mention of keeping documents in the bank. So some people keep all their documents, but you can decide to keep the originals of the bank and keep the photocopies with you, and maybe only retrieve them when you need them. I've seen a lot of people lose their original documents, maybe in fire incidences, in robbery incidences, or share misplacement, or during water outbreak in the flood and all that. Some natural disasters could cause that. Even fleeing, maybe there was threat in the area, insecurity, and everybody had to leave, or there was some looting. So some people have lost very important documents that have cost them so much pain and damages over the years. So if you can get the originals and keep them in the bank and then use the photocopies at home. You can only go to the bank when you need the originals, maybe for citation or for something else, all right, or to cite them for something else, all right. So always ask. You can ask your bank how to go about this. If you want to access services like this, you can ask your bank, and many of them will tell you how to go about it. I hope this helps someone out there this year, this day, this week, this month. And now that you have the knowledge, you can share the knowledge. You may not need it today, but always have it okay. All right. If you need somebody that needs it, you can share this with them. This could be a lifesaver for so many, and many other people that don't even know that these things exist. You can share it with them. All right. So if this has been of value to you, all right, let me know in the comment section. All right. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a like button. All right. And if you've not follow this YouTube channel, you can always follow this channel. You can also click the notification button so that when new videos come out, you can be the first to know them. All right, you can drop your comments on what you learned or any questions you have or anything you want me to talk about that I know about. I will. If I don't know about it, I will also tell you I don't know about it and possibly research on it. All right, these are just tips and hacks. They are not exhaustive in themselves, but I believe they can help in one way or the other. So until I see you in my next video, be good, and we all learn, believe, and we keep making progress. Thank you.